Good morning everyone, welcome for, and these are our group members. The project we choose is ruling principle. And here is our agenda. We will introduce these 5 parts in our presentations. The first one is motivation. We choose ruling principle is because most of the students in Taiwan have contacted with the principle, and also one of our team members has worked in this organization. Ruling is a principle which targets in senior high school students and re-examining students. And in this picture, we can see ruling has a mechanical architecture. However, this principle has already existed for a long time, so it should have a proper system. But this, we found some phenomena show that still the organization still have many problems, and these problems may lead to the decreasing in the efficiency. The first is phenomenon 1. The first level of phenomenon 1 is members have multiple roles, and then we found this problem is result in overlapping of working content. Also, they have different perceptions between the staff and the boss, and this may lead to the conflicts. And the second level of this phenomenon is because the director has too large span of control, because he assigns the roles by members' characteristics. But if a person has multiple traits, this person might receive many jobs at the same time. It's difficult for the person to seize the key points of this working. And the final level of the phenomenon 1 is the organization structure is indistinct. As we mentioned before, ruling has a mechanical architecture, but actually it's a horizontal management mode, and this make the internal communication more complicated. And the second is phenomenon 2.
And the first level is no sense of accomplishment because the work contents cannot fit the employee's personality. And the deeper reason is divergence of work potential, because there is no perspective between the part-time students and the employees. So they have cognitive dissonance on work. And the final level is lack of complete reward system, because the current school focus on making profits, so they might ignore the equity of the employees. The third phenomenon is when someone quits, other employees cannot take over the work, because the organization have no clear handover procedures. That means no one can understand the work content of the MP. And the further reason is the organization has a low formulation. They have no standard to make decisions and lack of rules to separate the work content. This is our conclusion. From the 3 phenomena above, they are related to the uncertain organizational charter. But after our deeper investigating, we found the root cause is the organization culture. The ruling boss has to take more profit strategy because of external environmental factors. But this may cause the differences in the goals and values between the boss and the employees. So their communication and relationship might be worse. And the final one is our solutions. We will set up a specific introduction, like complete the organizational charter and adjust the organizational structure to make mechanical structure complete, so they can make a clear divergence of work content. And the solution to the leader and organization culture is to strengthen the cohesion between the boss and the employees. For example, we can hold an activity to, with all the members to get them more closely. Thank you for your